Okay, so we have the, is this Orico? Leading technology. 3.5-inch external hard drive enclosure, the 3588US3. There you go. So we are going to see what's inside the box. There's the back. So we can zoom out of here a little bit there. Sorry for the mess on the table here. Whoa, that was not what I expected for this to be right on top. This is really light compared to some of the other ones. Here's what's in the box. Of course, since this is like the other one, this comes off. Need to jam out to another country. This doesn't look like it was properly packed. Foam, probably for the inside of the case. USB 3 cable. Like them on Facebook, follow them on Twitter, check out their YouTube channel, and they thank me for choosing. Here's the QR code and the directions. I bought this because I have an extra drive and I'm going to be using that in this case. And yes, I did also have the video, and I don't know if I posted it yet by the time this one gets up, of the dual drive. Oh, that was easy. It slides and fits right in. So the drive will go in there. I'll make a separate video putting the drive in there. Power, USB. I do wish this felt a little bit more secure. When you put this on there, it feels like it should just get pulled off. There's no locking mechanism other than just the latch there. But I'm not going to be moving this around too much. Looks like it only sits flat this way, as the edges here are rounded. Power button, indicator light. Alright, 6 gigabytes, and of course there. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Oh, satiny. And like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. If you'd like to see a video of me putting the drive into the case, let me know that. If I get enough people saying that, or maybe I'll just do it anyway, who knows. And I'll make that video too. Thank you for watching. Oh, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see if I can leave the link in the description or maybe at the end of the video.